Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. Today's video is all about Nigerian fish roll. Stay tuned while we do this together. I will be making use of mackerel fish, but you can actually use any fish of your choice. You are expected to cook the fish and debone it. Add some onions in a preheated oil and allow to fry for like 2 minutes. While the onions is still frying, add the fish and stir to combine. At this stage, we'll be seasoning the fish with stock cubes, seasoning or salt. Kindly turn off the heat and get your pastry ready. For the pastry, we are going to be making use of plain flour, salt, butter, baking powder, milk and nutmeg. Kindly mix the dry ingredients with the flour together. And then add the eggs. You have to mix the eggs to absorb into the flour. I'll be adding the margarine at this stage, and I'll as well mix it to absorb into the flour. Mix everything together until it comes out crumbly. At this stage, I will be adding the milk bit by bit and continue mixing until the dough is formed. You can actually use water at this stage. A lot depends on what you want. When a dough is formed, place on a work surface and clean for about 3 minutes. Split the dough into small portions. Roll out a small portion until it is flattened. I'll be adding the fish filling and roll the dough to closing up. For a tight closed up, I like to use water at the tip of the dough in order for me to get a good closing. Kindly keep rolling the dough and make sure that it seals tight properly. This same process is to be repeated until you are done with the remaining dough. For the sake of a good flavor, I will be adding an onions in the preheated oil, but you can actually skip this process if you don't really like the flavor of onions. You have to keep turning the fish roll in order for you to fry the both sides. They are to be fried until golden brown. Remove it from the oil when you notice that it is all golden brown and they are also done. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.